Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back. Another vlog in Manila. Another day in the life. And this is what you've been asking for, guys. So hang tight. It's gonna be a pretty good vlog. Got some stuff going on today. Actually, I don't know if I've got stuff going on today. Maybe it might be a bit boring, but that's just the life. That's just the life I chose sometimes. But let me just show you the view. I'm at my friend's house, friend's condo. This is right next to the golfing range. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, not a bad view to start the day with. On today's agenda, this is the last day of the YouTube challenge. Other than that, I'm gonna put out some content. On top of that, do some appointment setting for my mentorship program, checking on my students for both my school group and then also the ones in my one-to-one students. Try sneak a workout in. And yeah, pretty simple. It's the same stuff every single day. It's the boring stuff that gets you far. But you know, it's another day and we show up and we do it. Okay, so I'm gonna freshen up, brush my teeth, take a shower. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Just need to freshen up.
Yeah, we just keep going, man. We don't stop. We just keep pushing, man.
So just finished my writing out what I'm gonna do today, and it's not a lot of stuff. It doesn't need to, because that's a misconception. So 3 to 5 things that will move the needle for you, and then that's 80 to 90% of the work done that you just need to do every single day. A couple of sales calls booked in today, so if you add that as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll see you on the other side. What's up, dog? Part of the blog. Part of the blog.
I'm part of the vlog. Me and Tony. Come on, let's celebrate the
Let's celebrate. What happened this morning?
I got my new client.
Why are you talking like that, lad?
Boy, I don't like. I'm from Scotland.
Okay, yeah, from Scotland.
I got my PIF, just a cheeky small payment. Nothing crazy. Got $750 in the bank, but a win's a win, and we got a cheeky haircut and a coffee.
Could be worse.
Could be worse.
It's not even 12 yet. Try Deuce's coffee.
Taylor Swift. I became a billionaire by
Something was.
We're eating KFC. Yeah, cry about it. Yeah, we're eating KFC. So what?
Colonel Sanders.
We're talking about eating liver and kidney.
You're stupid.
Yeah.
Liver and kidney and organ diet. Oh, I need my zinc. I need my testosterone. I get testosterone from Colonel Sanders.
Do you recall what kind of diapers you wear growing up?
Pampers.
I like that. I'm not putting my kids in diapers, period.
So it's gonna be free rolling.
Yep. Because I have a theory that these companies purposely put some sort of chemicals or some substance in the diapers
looks like it should actually.
to affect the testosterone of the little
Actually a
boys.
good point. But they're gonna be free balling, so it's like you can't just be free balling and pissing all over.
Put a t-shirt on it.
Testosterone boosting
Diapers. Whoa! Testosterone boosting diapers. New business idea for all the base dads out there.
Yeah. I miss you. Yeah. Your metro.
Got the iced Americano. Gonna start hitting the DMs. You can say hi
What's up, man? Hello.
to the vlog. Evan. And yeah. Gonna lock in for a bit. I wasn't gonna do this, but show you, we got some messages to go through. If you see your name, that's cool. And then some follow-ups to hit. Send some new DMs as well, so yeah. Just cleared some DMs, cleared my inbox, also replied back to people, did some follow-ups, and then sent some new outreach messages. So, you know, how it's typically done when you're setting, just like when I was setting full-time, just doing it the same way for my business. It won't be long until I get someone else on my team to do it for me. But right now, I have to wear different hats. That's the difference. I have to work on content later. So yeah, it's part of the game. Got a sales call in like 4 minutes, so we're gonna see how that goes. The guy says he's ready to join the mentorship. Again, if you're interested in the mentorship, link in the description to book an application call. But yeah, looks like he's ready to go. We'll see. We'll just ask him a couple more questions, trying to see what kind of person he is, if he's a good fit. And then other than that, should be smooth sailing. Should be able to welcome someone in. Gonna hop on a sales call in a couple of minutes. I'll see you on the other side.
To help you out, I'm so excited. So as you know, the program runs for sure. So yeah, as you know, the program runs for 12 weeks.
Yo, what's good, everyone? So we just signed a new student. Welcome in, Safi. Took a bit of time, to get payment sorted, but we got through it in the end. But welcome in, bro, and I look forward to helping you out. Waiting for this prospect. It's been, what, 5 minutes, actually 6 minutes now. Looks like a no-show. We move, that's part of the game. I'm gonna follow up with this person, but looks like it's a no-show. Okay, so, oh my word. You guys saw that? You guys saw that? The lightning. So this is the view that we're working with from my condo. Pretty sick, pretty nice. However, we will be looking potentially to be getting out of here soon and moving closer towards BGC, or moving to BGC, which is where most of the action happens. It's like the best part of Manila. Some argue it's Makati, but I prefer BGC more. So yeah, this is the view we're working with. I also saw this meme earlier. Actually, it was in my camera roll, but it was a meme where it's like, it's a graph that goes up and down and then up and then in the middle, then up and down. And basically it's captioned with, we're so back, and then it dips down, it goes, it's so over, and then we're so back, and then it's so over. Funny, because this is basically the day in a life. This is like a month in a life or a year in a life of being an entrepreneur. Even if you're not an entrepreneur, when you're in remote sales, when you're in a remote setting, you're gonna have dry streaks. You're gonna have, you're gonna be on a roll sometimes, you're gonna have dry streaks. And then you're gonna have times when you're coasting, you're peaceful, you're complacent, and then there's other times when you're just there's a fire under your ass and it's lit and you're grinding basically, right? So that's just part of the game. Ups and downs. Obviously, the ideal situation that you should be in is not high highs and low lows, but that's just the nature of this game, right? So little lesson for you there. If you want to become successful in anything you do in life, you have to be okay with uncertainty. You have to be okay with droughts when things aren't going quite your way. You're trying, no matter what, nothing seems to click. And then all of a sudden, one day, in times when you least expect it, you get that win, and you get that second, and you get that third win, and it just goes up from there, and you have momentum. So your job is to keep that momentum, but in times of uncertainty, when things go up and down like this, like that meme, you need to just be okay with it. Well, happy Philippine Independence Day.
Yeah. Tensions is definitely rising. Teed up right now. Tea time. Tea time. Tea time, tea time, tea time. Tea time like I got a cup of this shit. Tea time like golf at 5:45. I love to fuck on a regular bitch. Famous hoes lame, but they stay on my dick. Heard your new joint is embarrassing shit. You talk to the cops on some therapist shit. You act like you love this American shit, but really the truth is you're scared of the sex.
Okay guys, so just hit the workout. Actually one of the better workouts I've had, so I'm glad it went out that way. Just did some upper body, bit of mix of everything, push, pull, and then yeah, just finished with abs at the end, as you probably saw. I forgot to show you something as well. Show you my analytics after this 30-day challenge. Actually, one day before the 30-day challenge is over. So in the last 28 days, look at that. 18,545 views in the last 28 days. 12.3k more than usual. Watch time has gone up massively. 86 plus subscribers. Now I wish this was a bit higher. I would have thought it'd be a bit higher, but we move, and you guys can probably tell me why or what ways to make it higher. And then there was a big spike here. I mean, it's relatively flat, but I remember this day because this was a day when I posted like 6 videos in a row essentially, and I had a massive ass spike. I thought, so this is a lesson for YouTube. The more you post, there is a correlation to how much impressions you get, how many views you get. So think about that, food for thought. You know, the views have been going crazy in the last 48 hours. And yeah, we are 1 day away from finishing this YouTube challenge. I don't know if the vlog will be the last day for it or it will be the day after, but some things to think about. Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be talking about how to transition from appointment setter to high ticket closer. Now, this was actually a content idea suggestion from my artist appointment setting community in school, which you can go check out in the link below. Finished the video, uploaded now. Yeah, everything is done on my to-do list. Did everything I said I'd do, so gonna have a chill night with the boys now. Smoke a cigar, maybe have a drink or two. All the work stuff is done. Time to chill with the boys, and yeah, see ya. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. It's 3 a.m. Had some nice convos on the balcony at my friend Evan's place. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. More to come in the future for sure. What a great ass day. What a great ass day to whip out the camera and document everything. Like, it couldn't have gone any better. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I'm over and out. I'm gonna get some rest when I get home. I'll book my grab. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. See you guys in the next one.